You know, smoothies are a great way to get all the nutrients and fibers from your fruits and vegetables into your daily diet. It's a delicious way to enjoy your breakfast, and best of all, it's quick and easy. The Bella Rocket Blender comes with 12 separate pieces, including a 240-watt motor, one 8-ounce and two 13.5-ounce BPA-free tumblers, a blending blade and a grinding blade, 2 storage lids, 2 lip rings, and 2 shaker tops. With its powerful 240-watt motor, blending blade for making delicious smoothies, and a grinding blade for making your own spices or coffee, the Rocket Blender is the bee's knees of multifunctional blenders and at an unbeatable price to boot. In a nutshell, simply toss your ingredients into the cup, twist on your blade of choice, sink to the base, and blend like a champ. When it's done, twist off from the base and enjoy. And all pieces are dishwasher safe for quick cleanup, or simply take your smoothie to go in its 13.5-ounce tumbler and comfortable sip lid. Bella's Rocket Blender makes blending a cinch. Give it a try for yourself and blend the best out of a bland situation.